Happy Valentine's, beautiful. Whether you're getting dolled up for yourself, Valentine's, or a hot date, you want to look your best and feel your best. Let's do a Valentine's makeover with Brow Bar by Reema. After applying your favorite foundation, concealer, and powder, let's tame those brows with the Bombshell Brow Kit. After combing through my brow hairs, I take the angled brush and begin to add the powder into my brows, creating the shape that I want. I then go through and comb through one more time, and then use the pencil in the kit to just define a little bit more. Next, take the brow lift and a flat brush to clean up under the brow. I also like using the same brow lift and tapping it onto my eyelid or eyeshadow primer. We're using the Sugar Daddy Hollywood Icon Face Kit for a sultry fox eyeshadow shape in some fun, bold Valentine's colors. After building up the shape with the dark pink, begin using the lighter shade to blend it out. We will continue building up the pink colors until the shape and color is full. Next, I'm going to be using Brow Lift to do a half cut crease, and then I'm going to pack in the shimmery light pink eyeshadow for a little shine. Complete the eyeshadow by taking the dark pink and applying that under the lower lash line, and then we are going to start creating our wing with the black gel liner and an angled brush. I bring some of the liner under the lower lash line and then use the Kajal pencil in my waterline. I apply my Drama Queen lashes and mascara and then move on to a little color in the face with the contour from our face kit. Next, I'm using the Heartbreaker highlight palette to give a gorgeous pink cheek, and then finishing with the Limelight Chrome lipstick.